waffle stuck in the microwave? Don't dump my microwave on me. Please don't dump my microwave. It's new.
Give me some tongs.
I can get it.
You can't get it?
Go get me some tongs.
See if Lizzy can
No,
get it.
Lizzy's not.
She has little skinny arms. Hold the microwave, please. I don't want you dumping my microwave.
Lizzy, you're not going to be able to get it. Go get some tongs.
Are you holding the microwave? It doesn't look like
I
it.
am holding the...
You are holding the microwave.
I have my entire arms
I
down.
think we need some tongs. Oh, tongs. Here we go.
Give me the
Calls
tongs.
for tongs.
No, I can do it.
Mom, give me the tongs.
No,
Tongs.
I actually was able to
Nick,
touch
my
it.
arm can.
What?
Okay, so Lizzy, hold the microwave.
You're just holding it back.
We might need Carrie in there. Don't drop my microwave, please.
It's fine. I got it.
Where is
Hi,
it?
Stuart. Are you gonna entertain us? Stu? No.
What is it?
There's two back there.
Hey.
Mr. Waffle.
Oh yeah.
Mom, weren't there two back there?
I hope not.
Trick shot.
Stuart, did you get
Darn,
one?
I missed the stinking.